In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. All you need to do is launch Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then you can click on Lock Screen to select Screen Lock type. Now, click on one of those to apply it, PIN, password or pattern, and create it. If you made a mistake, just tap on Retry at the bottom left corner and redo it. If you are sure of your login method, hit Continue, repeat it to confirm it, and select Confirm. Now, you can adjust lock screen notifications thanks to this switcher or by clicking on all of those options here. Once you're done, just hit Done and then decide if you want to turn on or cancel Turn on Remote Unlock. So now when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!